Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update on my 1979 Euro Shark nose. To make the video blog easier to follow, I'm basically going to cut the video or the video series up into three pieces. The first piece would be the rear subframe, the second is the front subframe, and then the third will be the engine. So today I'm going to talk about the rear subframe. The first video that you saw in this car, which was from about a week ago, I was just talking about all the work that's going to go into making the car almost like new again, to be honest with you, and just going through a full refurbishment on it. And today I wanted to share with you all the work that's gone into the rear end and suspension. So I just finished torquing the last bolt on the rear end, and I just wanted to walk you through everything that I did under the car at the back. So just looking at everything in front of you here, we have a powder coated rear cross member, which is right here, and brand new mounts from BMW on the either side, left and right side. And also, if you can see in the video, every single nut and bolt has been replaced. And I bought all brand new grade 8.8 or 10.9, depending on the application, fasteners. So all nuts, bolts, everything is brand new. I did not reuse one fastener when I put everything back together. So, so that looks really good. So you have the cross member, the mounts, and then the flat bars, which are under here. Those have also been powder coated, and then you can see the new fasteners there. And on the rear trailing arms or control arms, I put brand new polyurethane bushings on either end. I bought those from Ireland Engineering, and you can see the new stainless brake lines. I got those from Ireland Engineering as well, so replace all the braking system as well. And new rotors, rebuilt the calipers. These are ATE calipers, and then new Paget pads. The rear axles have also been rebuilt, and the rear end has been resealed, and you can see there. And I also bought a brand new from BMW diff mount. And let's see what else. So yeah, just kind of going through everything. I can see the new Bilstein Shocks, and I also scrubbed the chassis and really cleaned it, and got it looking good actually. So you could really see how everything came out really nicely. I have to secure the e-brake cables, and I'll be doing that very shortly. I may make new e-brake cable mounts, or supports I should say. These are okay, but I may make my own, but we'll see. And I also put in a set of brand new brake shoes on either side. Of course you can't see them because the rotors hide them, but you can get a feel and an idea of everything that's gone into the car. And hope you appreciate it and like it, and looking forward to the comments. But everything came out really well, and liking how everything went back together. So nothing really fought me per se putting it back together. It was fairly straightforward, and really nice to see how clean everything is, and the difference it makes. So I'm looking forward to hopefully driving the car in a few weeks. The next thing to tackle will be the front subframe, front suspension, and brakes. So that'll be the next video that I shoot. So hope you enjoy this, and I hope everybody's doing well, and you take care. All the best. Take care.